In a rapidly changing technological landscape, everyone is wondering, will web designers become obsolete? Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we will delve into this topic to discover the truth. We are all aware that technology is constantly evolving, and the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning is transforming many industries. What about web design, though? To answer this question, consider the industry's current state and how technology has already impacted it. Website builders like Wix and Squarespace, as well as drag-and-drop interfaces like Elementor, have made it easier for anyone, even those without technical skills, to create a website. But does this imply that web designers are no longer required? Not exactly. While these tools make website creation more accessible to everyone, they cannot compete with a professional web designer's creativity, attention to detail, and technical expertise. A professional web designer, for example, understands how to make a website visually appealing while also ensuring that it is easy to navigate and effectively communicates the brand's message. In other words, web design is about creating a user-friendly experience that effectively communicates a brand's message rather than just aesthetics. AI and machine learning simply cannot compete with the level of expertise and creativity that a human web designer possesses. So, no, web designers are not going out of business. They will always be in demand due to their unique skills and ability to understand the needs of a brand. However, as technology advances, web designers will have to adapt and evolve. For example, staying current on design trends, technologies, and best practices, such as responsive design and accessibility, will be critical to remaining relevant in the industry. To summarize, while technology has altered the way web designers work, it has not rendered web designers obsolete. The demand for professional web designers will only increase as technology advances. Thank you for watching. Please share your thoughts on this topic in the comments section below. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more similar content.